Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Kurdene Wireless Earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is prepare the earbuds. So ensure the earbuds are fully charged. Then we need to remove both earbuds from the charging case. They'll automatically power on and enter pairing mode indicated by the red and blue lights flashing alternately. Then enable Bluetooth on your device. So on your smartphone, tablet or computer, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and ensure your Bluetooth is turned on. Then we need to connect the earbuds. So in the list of available devices, select Kurdene SA or ISBI to initiate pairing. If prompted for a password, enter 0000 or 1234. Once connected, the LED indicator will flash blue every 6 seconds, indicating a successful connection. Now, I've got some troubleshooting tips here. So if the earbuds don't enter pairing mode automatically, press and hold the touch sensitive area on the earbuds for about 3 seconds to manually power them on. And if you're experiencing connection issues, reset the earbuds by pressing the touch sensitive area on both earbuds 4 times quickly. The earbuds will restart and then they will enter pairing mode.